Well, guess we're back cutting down some more trees. Got a lot done, and looks like I'm sizing up the tree. Oh goodness, hopefully it doesn't fall on me. And running the old steel Farm Boss MS271, freshly sharpened chain. This one went pretty smoothly. Got a nice notch in. I do want to get a lighter to power ratio saw. The Farm Boss is a kettlebell, especially when you're working on the hill like that. But it's great. It is a workhorse. It's a very powerful, very reliable, strong, durable saw. Take the notch out. Back cut. I like to trim off the sides. No holding bark. You can see right where my notch ends. Make a nice clean back cut. And just trying to get better with my wedge work, so left a relatively big hinge and tapped it in a few times. Normally I don't try to work downhill at all, but I felt pretty confident with this, and a real nice slow hinge. When I'm working with these really tall trees by myself, I do like to try to do fat hinges, and it just falls slow. It seems nice and controlled.